Hello viewers, this video shows how to make a moong dal sprouts. For this I am taking a quarter cup of moong dal, put it in a bowl and add a water so that it soaks well. Let it rest for around 12 to 13 hours. So after 13 hours I am going to strain the water. Wash it once or twice, that is rinse the moong dal once or twice and strain it. Let it strain well. Now for this I am using a airtight container or a hot pack so that it will be airtight. You can either use any of this. So now the water is strained well. It's dry. Not much. Now transfer this into this bowl, to this container. Close it and keep it aside. Do not disturb it for 13 hours. So here is our moong dal sprout. Thanks for watching.